you can earn $81 per click passively for free. Yeah, this is the make money online opportunity that I'm about to show in this video. This is more like affiliate marketing, another affiliate marketing method that you can avail right now, and you can work with this with easy and with free. You do not need any investment. You simply go over to, I'm going to show you the site. Go over to fplus.com. This is fplus.com. Yes, fplus is a offer vault. It's like all the offers out there in the world are aggregated by F plus, and they have listed all these type of CPO offers and cost per actions offer, email submit offer, Jeep submit offer. These are very easy, and form fill up offer, and you can just target these offers and promote these, and you can make a hands up amount of money. So if I go over to these sites and I choose a site offer called from Guru Media. Yes, this is related to health offer, and this is a CPO offer that we are that's going to pay us $81 if your customer who you are promoting go through your link and submit and complete that survey. And this is it. Simply, you do not your customer do not need to invest any money. Simply submit a simple form and you are going to make $81. So how we're going to go? So if you just choose it, I just click on join network on this Guru Media, and it will ask for simple signups, and just go over to signups and form, submit the simple form and some question answers to Guru Media, and you will going to get accepted in no time for sure. So how then get a affiliate link from Guru Media for this health offer in here? So when you get the affiliate link, you simply copy that link, but you cannot right away promote that affiliate link. So nowadays, no affiliate links are accepted in social media, any type of social media or internet, and it's for the good for everyone. So how we are going to promote this link? So when we get that link, we are heading over to Linktree. So this is Linktree dot E. So this is Linktree. This is a link posting sites which shows some dashboard like this. When people use Linktree, go to your Linktree account, it will show your Linktree image or avatar, and then all the links you post will be show up like this. And so this is very easy to promote, and these links are accepted by any social media. So when you get your Linktree account, you simply go there and submit and post these offer links to Linktree, and it will be show something like this. This is the format people's going to see. So when you get your Linktree link, you just copy that link and go over to twitter.com. Yes, this is the best way to promote any find targeted customers here. So simply go over to Twitter, and you can just simply search for like how to be healthy. I have a health offer, so we need health related customers who really love to buy health related products. So I search it how to be healthy. So you see that people's all over the world searching for like how to be healthy, and when someone asks like that, you simply reply them by some valuable thoughts about health, or answer their askings, and then after that you recommend with the Linktree link, so that you can just ask them that if you really love to be a healthy life or love to be healthy, you can also check out this is a really good things that I used, and it's working really fast, really good. So this way people are really going to love to click on that link, and when they go to this Linktree page, they are going to show up with this link list that you have already put there. And if they just click on it and just submit the offer, and you get $81. This is very very simple. If you don't know how opportunity is limitless, you just search for any terms in out there, you simply work daily, and I'm sure you are going to get thousands of targeted clicks on these links, and you are going to make more $81. And it's just an offer. You can choose many other offers from there, but simply this is the process. You can start earning money for free without investment. Simply work daily, earn money daily. So this is it, guys. If you like this method, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel, stay with my videos, and check out my other videos out there also. And see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.